Okay, so how to use an elk bugle. On this rubber reed, there's a gap in the bottom, and you want to place your bottom lip in between that gap, and you want to blow, and you're gonna have to play with it a little while until you get the sound right, but it should sound like this. And you just, you gotta listen to elk and hear how they sound, and try to mimic that sound as best as you can. It takes a lot of practice. It doesn't happen overnight, so as long as you just keep on practicing, listen to how it sounds, you'll get it, and that's how you blow an elk call.